Hello everybody, Max here with Avon Website Pro, and today I'm talking about the Yoast SEO tool. Now, we all know, if you're familiar with Yoast, it'll give you a little snippet of what it would look like in a search engine, and then it lets you know whenever you're down here typing if it's too long, too short, and you should have a call to action in the excerpt. Right now, I just got done writing the article Dreamweaver CC 2019 Beginner's Guide Creating a Site for the First Time. And I went down here and I edited my excerpt, the little meta description tag that's going to show up in the Google search engine. Now, I could put a call to action down here, but I kind of like this. The other thing that works too is putting everything in all caps. You can do that as well. Or if you're a local company, it's always nice to put your phone number in there so people can give you a call. All right, now the couple things that I want to talk about is the social. Like if you wanted something different to show up on Facebook, you can outline a different title, like hey Facebook users, look at what I'm doing, and then put a different description in here, and you can also use a different image by clicking the upload here. The same is true of the Twitter. You go in here and put a Twitter title, and then a Twitter description. Hey Twitter people. Something like that, P-E-O-P-L-E, and then just go on with your description like so, and then use a different image because the Twitter image is 1024 by 512, and as you can see, the Facebook image, they usually use 1200 by 630. So you can customize your images in your Photoshop or whatever and then upload accordingly. So that you could design it so, we can bring in people from Facebook and Twitter and try to cater to those people. Down here we have the cog. This is where you can allow or not allow search engines to index the post result and search results, and you should have follow links in the search post and so on and so forth. So, and this is the breadcrumb title and the canonical URL you could change. But just basically I would leave those empty. The cog, the defaults, as long as this is, currently set to yes, you're good to go. But I just wanted to highlight those two little social media aspects because it'll really help you in the future. All right, this is Max with Avon Website Pro. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.